Shri Gurupyo Namaha children. We welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekalaiva. Today in this class we are going to learn Class 2 Matriculation Mathematics Chapter 3 Subtraction. Subtraction. It represents the operation of removing objects from a collection. The result of subtraction is called a difference. The sign for subtraction is minus. Now we are going to learn about the properties of subtraction. Subtracting 0. When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. For example, 7 minus 0, 7. 16 minus 0, 16. 100 minus 0, 100. That is, when we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. Next, subtracting 1. When we subtract 1 from a number, the difference is the number before. For example, 17 minus 1, 17 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 17 before 16. Next, 14 minus 1 equal to 14 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 14 before 13. Next, 100 minus 1. 100 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 100 before 99. That is, when we subtract 1 from a number, the difference is the number before. Next, when we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. For example, 15 minus 15 equal to 0. 13 minus 13 equal to 0. 100 minus 100 equal to 0. That is, when we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. In this page, we are going to learn about subtracting by regrouping. Regroup the correct number in the circles, then solve. In this first sum, 24 minus 7 is there. Step 1. There are not enough tens. Why? Because in tens place, we have 4 and 7. Number 4 is smaller when compared to number 7. So, we have to regroup 1 10 into 10 tens. 2 before what number will come? 1. So, regroup 110 into 10 tens. Now, there are 1 10 and 14 ones. Step 2. We have to subtract the ones. 14 minus 7 equal to 14 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 14 before 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So, we have to write number 7 in the ones place. Now, we have to subtract the tens. In tens place, we have 1 and 0. 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 equal to 1. We have to write number 1 in the tens place. In second sum, we have 35 minus 6. In ones place, 5 and 6 is there. There are not enough tens. Why? Because number 5 is smaller when compared to number 6. So, we have to regroup 110 into 10 tens. 3 before 2. 2 we have to write in the circle. Now, there are 1 10 and 15 ones. Step 2. We have to subtract the ones. In ones place, 15 minus 6 is there. 15 minus 6 equal to 15 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 15 before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So, we have to write number 9 in the ones place. Next, we have to subtract the tens. In tens place, 2 minus 0 is there. 2 minus 0 equal to 2. So we have to write number 2 in the tens place. Third sum, 64 minus 25. There are not enough tens. So we have to regroup. Number 4 is the smallest number when compared to number 5. So we have to regroup 110 into 10 tens. 6 before 5. Now there are 110 and 14 ones. Step 2. Subtract the ones. 14 minus 5. 14 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 14 before, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So we have to write number 9 in the ones place. Now we have to subtract the tens. In tens place we have 5 minus 2. 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 5 before, 4, 3. So 5 minus 2 equal to 3 tens. Now we have to write number 3 in the tens place. Next sum, 42 minus 28. Step 1. There are not enough tens. Why? Because number 2 is the smallest number when compared to number 8. So we have to regroup 110 into 10 tens. 4 before, 3. Now there are 110 and 12 ones. Step 2. Subtract the ones. 12 minus 8 equal to 12 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 12 before, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 12 minus 8 equal to 4. We have to write 4 in the ones place. Now we have to subtract the tens. In tens place, 3 minus 2 is there. 3 minus 2 equal to 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 3 before, 2, 1. So we have to write number 1 in the tens place. Next question, 63 minus 26. Step 1. There are not enough tens. Why? Because number 3 is the smallest number when compared to number 6. So we have to regroup 110 into 10 tens. 6 before, 5. Now there are 110 and 13 ones. Step 2. We have to subtract the ones. In ones place, 13 minus 6 is there. 13 minus 6 equal to 13 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 13 before, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 7 we have to write in the ones place. Now we should move on to tens place. In tens place we have 5 minus 2. Now we have to subtract the tens. 5 minus 2 equal to 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 5 before, 4, 3. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. So we have to write number 3 in the tens place. I hope you understood the concept, children. Thank you.